Unraveling the GMAT, reviewing and analyzing practice questions. Hello, dear learners. Welcome back to our GMAT preparation series. Today, we'll dive deep into the art of reviewing and analyzing practice questions. This crucial step not only ensures you're learning from your mistakes but also refines your test-taking strategy. Let's begin. Understanding the solution is just half the battle. By reviewing and analyzing each question, you 1. Uncover your strengths and weaknesses. 2. Recognize patterns in the type of mistakes you make. 3. Learn to manage time more effectively during the actual test. 4. Improve your overall problem-solving skills. Step 1. Correct versus incorrect. First, categorize all the questions into correct and incorrect ones. This gives you a bird's-eye view of your performance. Step 2. Analyze mistakes. For incorrect answers, 1. Understand why you got it wrong. Was it a conceptual error? Did you misread the question? Or perhaps you made a calculation mistake? 2. Resolve the question without any time constraints. Understand the proper approach to it. Step 3. Review correct answers too. Yes, you read that right. Even for the ones you got correct. 1. Ensure you took the most efficient route to the answer. 2. Sometimes, you might get the correct answer through a fluke or guesswork. Understand the actual methodology behind the solution. Create an error log. An error log is a personalized document where you 1. List down all the mistakes you make. 2. Note the concepts you're weak in. 3. Chart out the time spent on each question. Using this log helps you understand where you need to focus your revision and which areas you're consistently strong in. Practice mindfully. Once you've reviewed a set of questions, practice them again after a few days. This ensures that the lessons learned from your review session are truly internalized. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into reviewing and analyzing practice questions for the GMAT. Remember, it's not just about the number of questions you practice, but how effectively you learn from them. Here's hoping this video provides you with the tools you need to refine your strategy and ace the GMAT. Until next time, happy studying!